Hello folks, this is 2014 May-June paper 1 and question number is 24 of Cambridge Pre-University Certificate, which is useful for our CAIE A-level students as well. So this question is concerned with the chapter current electricity. It says that a heater is rated at 220 volt 5000 watts. So this 5000 watt is the power it radiates, and 220 volt is the voltage at which it operates. When the heater is connected to a 220 volt power supply, the current is I0. So current has got specific value and is noted as I0. When the heater is connected to a 110 volt power supply, what's the current and what's the power? So we have to find the current as well as the power. Assume the resistance of the heater does not change. So they have given us a liberty that the resistance does not change, but in reality it does change actually. So the values of currents are given in the form of I0, and the value of power are given in numerical values. So we have to proceed accordingly. And one thing that we have to remember, why they have focused on this 220 volt power and this 110 volt power. So 220 volt power is the 220 volt supply is in most part of the world, but 110 is in United States. So that's why they are stressing on that particular values. So what we are given is R is same in all cases. So what now we have is the initial current I0 is equal to V naught by R. So V naught is the initial voltage. Let us say V naught. So this is V naught here, and that's equal to 220 by R. Then the new current I new is equal to V new by R, and V new is this 110 volt supply, so it's equal to 110 by R. So now this means that if I take the ratio here, I new by I naught is equal to 110 by R divided 220 by R. R goes, it is 1 by 2. So therefore I new is equal to I naught by 2. When I naught goes here, it is I naught by 2. So that's why if I go to the choices, what I have is choice number C and choice number D, they disqualify. The only choices remaining are A and B. Now let's go for the power. So since we know that the relationship for power is equal to V square by R. So our old power is equal to V old square by R, which is 220 square by R. Then power new is equal to V new square by R, which is equal to 110 square by R. So this gives us power new by power old is equal to 110 square by R divided 220 square by R. So R goes. So when you cancel this thing, it will be equal to 1 by 4. So therefore power new is equal to 1 by 4 into PO, and the power old is equal to 500 watts. So it's equal to 500 by 4, and this becomes ultimately 125 watt. So when the voltage supply becomes half, the power it radiates has become 1 by 4 of the previous value. So the correct choice should be equal to choice number B disqualifies, and the only choice remaining is choice number A.